Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Directx setup could not download the file. Please retry later or check network connection. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and search for Directx offline installer and press enter. Select the first link. Just need to scroll down, select your language and select the download option. After getting download done, you just need to select it and install it. Now select browse and select your D drive and select OK and select OK. And now it extracted guys. Now go to the file path we saved, that Directx extracted file. Now you can install this Directx setup with I accept the agreement and select next. Now it's finished installing without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.